Guys, want to enjoy an audio experience for music, films and gaming, but care about ear health? Maybe you already have impaired hearing. Are bone conduction headphones the way forward? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So today guys, I am looking at the Runner Pro bone conduction headphones from Naenka. So guys, what the hell are bone conduction headphones? Well, before I get into that, I just want to say that Naenka sent me these headphones in exchange for my honest review. Now, of course, those of you that follow the channel, you know that whether I buy something myself, or whether I'm sent it, you're always going to get an honest review from me, good, bad, or indifferent. Now, before we kind of get into these and why they are a game changer, let's get them unboxed. So guys, we've got nice attractive packaging. The box opens up in two sections. You have the headphones themselves on the right and the accessories on the left. Bit tricky trying to get these accessories out, which did kind of result me in tearing the box a little bit, which is a bit of a shame. I don't know, maybe we need to use some stronger cardboard here, who knows. But anyway, you've got some instructions, a feedback card, the proprietary charging cable, which, yeah, is a bit of a shame that it's not USB-C, but we've also got some foam earplugs, more about those later, and a rubber strap which can be used to adjust the fit of the headphone band. Now, the headphones themselves are a blend of hard and soft rubber, so they're pretty hard here, these control modules, and also the earpieces. Well, they're not really earpieces, but the bits that do the conduction. And the rubber strap here is pretty soft. Now, Naenka say that this material is military grade titanium silicone. Who knew such a thing existed, right? But they do feel pretty strong. So, what is the black magic of bone conduction? Well, conventional headphones or earbuds are obviously firing sound directly into your ears. Now, the ears can be sensitive or even impaired, but you know what it's like listening to a bit of Bat Out of Hell or something like that. You kind of start your volume on 5, but as soon as your ears get used to it, you're cranking that volume up to like 10 and you're dancing around and shaking your head and, you know, you're going crazy, right? And while it makes us feel alive, it's also pretty damaging to our hearing. So the consequences of that damaged hearing is no more Bat Out of Hell or potentially not being able to hear anything. Now, I'm not a hearing expert or health expert, but for the folks that are, you will relate to this. So, what's the answer? Well, bone conduction, rather than blasting the old eardrums with all that sound, you can actually wear these on the front of your ears. So it's kind of like that. And that means you get the vibration on the bone rather than the noise in the ears. So, you know, that can create the sound, and it's amazing. And that's why if you've already got impaired hearing of any kind, this tech could be a great solution for bypassing your ears. Now that's pretty cool. So I think, you know, it's interesting, but let's take a look at the features. Well, these are Bluetooth connected. Now, using Bluetooth 5, so that's the latest and greatest, but if you don't want to carry your phone around, particularly if you're using these for sport or something like that, you can actually transfer MP3s straight to the 8 gigabytes of internal memory that's built into these headphones. So that's pretty cool. Also, these Runner Pros are IPX waterproof, so you can swim with them. And although it's not recommended to swim in the sea for long periods of time because, you know, the salt could potentially get into the connectors and things like that, and that could be a bit of a problem. But if you swim in the swimming pool, they're going to be just fine. And if you do swim in the swimming pool, they'll sound pretty good because your ears will be blocked by water, which is also going to enhance the sound quality. Now, battery life, 6 hours solid, with a charge time of 2 hours, so that's pretty cool. Controls are on the right side here, and they consist of a power button, which is also a multi-function button. So apart from turning them on and off, you can also use that button for pairing, answering calls, switching from Bluetooth mode to onboard MP3 mode, and you've got your volume up and down and your skip track button. So pretty simple really. Now, pairing was really straightforward. Once paired, you're kind of good to go. Audio quality, well, it's really impossible to compare these to any conventional earbuds or headphones, as they just don't work like that. The sound is overall pretty flat. Now, you can distinguish bass and treble, but really it's fairly flat. Now, you can listen to these at full volume, but I'm going to tell you now, they start to make my head tingle. So the vibration actually tingles on the temples of your head. So it's not really ideal to turn them up. But I am going to say the more and more I listen to them, actually, the better they sounded. Now, remember those included earplugs? Well, pop these in your ears and the sound actually changes very, very dramatically. It's still fairly flat, but now it's kind of like a bit deeper and a bit warmer. And that's what I was saying about the swimming, because your ears are blocked and you're not kind of listening with your ears as well. All of the focus is coming from the bone conduction. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to take these out because I can hardly hear myself. Now, these also enable you to make and take phone calls, and the sound quality was pretty good. Now, I will say that obviously the sound of a phone call hasn't got the clarity that you'd have in a song. So yeah, they sounded fine. But some of the callers I tested with did say that they couldn't really hear me that clearly. Now, okay, this could be a number of reasons for why that is, but in any case, I'm just mentioning it. Now, the last test, by switching to MP3 mode, you can play, as I said, tracks directly from these headphones. So no media player required. You know, you have to transfer the tracks using the proprietary cable, and a 10 meg file took about 10 seconds to transfer, so that's not that drastic. So guys, there you have it. If you want to protect your ears from potential damage, or you already have some kind of impaired hearing, or maybe you just want some cool sports headphones that you can leave your ears open and just have this conducting on the side of your head, or maybe you're a swimmer and you want to enjoy untethered music underwater, then these Runner Pros from Naenka will be right up your street. They will enable you to enjoy a fairly good audio experience no matter where you are. They're tough, versatile, and you know what? Pretty feature packed. And as well as the health benefits, it's really cool tech. And I can say, definitely gonna be featuring big in the next generation of audio consumption. And at around £90 before any discounts, they're not gonna break the bank either. So guys, I'll put any links to the products and any discount codes in the description. If you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. Until then guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Naenka for sending me these rather cool bone conducting Runner Pro headphones. Guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, please subscribe and smash that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. I'm Dave with See Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.